Hey guys, welcome to Adventure Time with CJ. So today we're at the Illawarra Car Show today. There are some cars in here as well as out the back. So today we're just going to walk around and... Oh, nice! And we're going to have a look at some cars, so let's get going. Look at that.
I said we should take the boys to the summer.
We got a V8 engine? Because we've got 8 pistons. Wow, so that's a V8 engine. Wow.
Just wait.
He gets carried away a bit, does he?
Don't pick your nose in the car, it's gross.
I'll scratch my nose and a bit of book came out.
No, you did it 3 times. You want you to clean your... So here's
Hey Jeff, that car look familiar? The one I pranked in GTA?
I bought it off Probably should have kept it, eh?
Nice.
Oh, fine.
Hey Chris, that's a cool bike.
Yeah, Max.
See the white one? That's the same bike as I got.
But yours is quicker.
The white one.
What was that, Chris?
Apparently there's some of the guys are giving free posters and that as well.
Oh, nice.
Make sure
Probably
you grab
some
them.
of the drag cars and stuff.
We got a push bike section.
What's so special about a push bike?
Oh, they're old school push bikes, man. They've been rebuilt.
Wow, this is cool. This is sick. I like that black motorbike. That would be loud. Hey Chris, that black bike would be a loud one.
Except I've got low bars.
Oh, this is cool. There's the engine. Chris, I know exactly what car that red one is. It's a Bel Air. I know that because one of my pop's mates that lived in our street when I was a kid had one.
Oh, really?
Except he's had a spoiler on the back and a blower coming out the front.
Oh, nice.
What car is this one, Jeff?
That's This is a car powered by powered by alcohol there. Alcohol in the engine.
What? What alcohol? Oh my god. Alcohol, hold on. We are? There's some really cool cars in here. Big car, tiny exhaust. Oh my god. Yeah, your GTA 5, that's the Ponte Duke. I drive this car in GTA 5.
On your YouTube, not with my face on it.
Hey Declan, I could totally see you driving one of them. Nice. Hey Chris, there are some sick cars in here. Is that an old Ford?
Yeah, in those places, like when I went to pick the car up, because it was raining and we picked it up from the creek. And the boys were there spraying it, and there's nothing, it's going everywhere, and I'm like,
Whoa. Are these like custom push bikes?
No, these are what they were years ago.
they're customised.
The gold one's cool.
A lot of them, a lot of these guys in the cars here, they all live around this area, and they're going back to the old white BMX band that like things. Remember the old movie? They do pub crawls on their BMX bikes and shit.
There are some really cool vehicles in here.
On the wall? Yeah, just over there. Yeah, just next door. Look.
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
That's what I thought. It's worth to drive up and do.
Yeah.
How does that work like that? I don't understand how that works.
It's just
So that's how it comes off to get to the engine.
No, mate, this show's pretty nice. The cars are like so detailed and beautiful.
Jeff,
So dry.
look at the number plate. Deuce. As you guys can tell, please so far, there is a lot of really nice vehicles in here. We're now about to approach some more nice ones. That's a cool bike. That looks fast. Jeff, that's a nice one. Hey Chris, I could totally see you riding a bike like that.
No?
I could totally see you riding a motorbike like that.
But these guys have just got a...
No, fuel. They do racing fuel.
I wish the boys had fun.
Oh, Chris, that's cool.
Yeah, that is, man. That's a rat.
It is. It's a rat rod.
No, it's a rat on the car.
A rat. Wrap. Looks like it's a race car or something. Yeah, it's a drag car. It's a rat rod drag car.
See, I like the way the back lifts up and the details under that rear tail.
Yeah, that's sick.
That is sick.
Mirrors underneath. There we go.
Yeah, mirrors underneath. Would you ever drive a car like that, Jeff?
Yeah, Chris, you're saying about a mirror.
Yeah, right here as well. Mirror.
Yeah, there's another one there at the foot of the Tirana.
That's a Tirana?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's written on it.
It's just a detail on it.
Oh, the first one.
There are some sick looking vehicles in here, bro. What car is that one?
Complete.
A Ford Capri. You know your old cars, don't you, boy? And this orange one? Whoa.
The Furious.
My bike around, you can sit on it.
Yeah.
You bring your bike here sometimes?
No, not yet. I'll take it around the Chris's and Matt's and sit on it.
Yeah, he'll love it.
He loves
He's out
motorbikes.
for every motorbike.
Every time he moves, like, he's like, oh, that's a bike.
Look at this engine. Wow. This is mad. That is sick. That's a custom bike.
That is sick. It's not the kind of bike I'd ride, but I actually really like that.
It's cool, eh?
Chrome up Sam's car.
Hey, Chris.
The girls work cars all nice and pretty and chrome.
Yeah.
And ours go black and white.
Yeah.
Is that a deluxe motorbike? 'Cause it's got deluxe on it. Don't know what this vehicle is, but it's sick.
Yeah.
I've got my car bomb.
Anyway.
Mum would love that.
What?
The other thing yeah, I got photos of
Hey, Chris. That is sick. Is that a racing engine? That would have NOS in it. Ford Fairmont. Whoa.
yeah, true.
give you the dash proof of it.
What? That is. They have all that in this little thing?
The old fuse box that they tried to make it look like.
An old fuse box.
Let's see.
Look at this Maxi.
That's an old fuse box?
Wait, there's a rifle?
In the back, look at it. It looks sick. That looks like something out of our.
And there's a pistol on that side.
Oh, what?
There's a pistol.
There you go, Max. There. Told Dad to buy your car. Nah, I didn't get your face.
It's got tires got two of them.
His uncle collects those weird cars for him.
That is sick.
Look at that rifle is.
It's an old style. It's an old style. It's an old manual sniper rifle.
I don't think it's anything. I think it's just made.
It's an old, like, gun stock with some chunks of wood put on it and a bunch of pieces of metal. So technically, it's not a full gun. It's a stock that has things on it. Yeah, you need the golf cart.
Oh, that's cool.
No, you need what's in the basket.
Yes. I like the spread of throttle. This.
That's a quick shifter.
Alligator skin.
Yeah.
That's actually a quick shifter.
Yeah.
See this.
That's a quick shifter. That's how they spin up so much quicker.
Who the hell's saying that? God dang it. I hit the power button again, so now I have to restart the video all over again.
Well, so you know what I was planning? Surprise to my YouTube channel by not showing my face. No one will ever know what my face looks like on my channel.
That bloody
Hey Chris.
massacre. Hang on, I'm talking. That massacre. A couple of years ago, and he couldn't. Yeah, I agree.
Mini Coops.
And if the girls want to message you, and it's going to be a surprise.
Yeah. I don't get to know what I look like. No one does.
What'd you say?
Mini Coops.
Nice.
That's a beautiful looking car.
Currently, I just do POV videos where I just go just a bunch of different little things. I brought the GoPro today. I was going to record that I used to say.
Keep going.
Just anything.
Oh, these are projects.
Half projects. Oh, Chris. Is that another NOS tank?
Yep.
And a Coca-Cola thing in the back.
Look how beastly that guy is.
That's built by Viking Commodore.
The which one?
The green over there?
The green one over there?
Yeah, it's built by Vikings at Commodore.
Oh wow. You know a lot. Declan?
What?
Yeah. What?
Oh. Check that stereo out.
Imagine that in your car, bruh.
I used to have cars that I had a car I put a layer of concrete in so it didn't flex. So that way it was louder because I kept blowing the doors open.
Wasn't that loud?
You guys can go.